got a bellyache. Hi guys! So for today's video, I'm doing another unboxing, and you're probably wondering, probably not, but some of you might be wondering, why are you doing another phone unboxing when you just did one 2 weeks ago where I got a new phone? Well, this phone, the one that I'm recording on is the iPhone 8 Plus, which is my phone, and the one that I'm unboxing right now is my mom's phone, but she's allowing me to unbox it. Actually, she already opened it, but I'm just gonna unbox it, and this is my first impression. I haven't seen it, so I'm really excited. And yeah, so if you're gonna hate on me saying why do you have the newest iPhone when you just bought another iPhone last week, this is my disclaimer. So yeah, let's get started. I'm also excited to do this, even though it's not my phone, but I could use it sometimes, so I'm also excited for it. I'm actually probably more excited than my mom, but yeah, let's get started. So the accessories that my mom got is this invisible shield glass plus it's like a thing. Oh look, that is my phone. Can you see that? That's my phone. This is for the X10X Max. I cannot believe that my mom got this phone. She had the iPhone 6s Plus in rose gold, and now she has this one. Yeah, so that's the glass screen protector, and she got a case, just a clear case. I don't know if I could open it. Whoa, it's just clear and it's really nice. So that's that is that. I cannot talk. So these are the accessories that she got, just a plain clear case and a glass screen protector. She's not really fussy about cases. She had one case that she used for her 6s Plus for 2 years, and she got this on a plan as well. So yeah, so this is the phone. Oh my god, whoa. And it's already open. Can you see that? It's already open, but she wrapped it for me again because I was like, oh, can I do a video on it? And she's like, okay. She's and it's she got one in 64 gigabytes because this is already an expensive phone, so yeah, and you don't need 512 gigabytes. 64 gigabytes is enough. So yeah, she got the iPhone XS Max in gold. The packaging is just the front, the Apple logo, and the iPhone has a gold thing on it, a gold sheen to it. So let's just pretend that it's my first time opening it. So yeah, okay, that was lame. Okay, never mind. So yeah, that's your satisfying moment. So we're gonna open it. This is my first time seeing it as well, because I was at school when she went to the store and bought it. So yeah, so yeah, so every iPhone comes like that. So oh my god, that is the phone. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the brand new iPhone XS Max in gold, 64 gigabytes. Okay, so here it got the Apple stickers. They should make it the same color. They have so much money, they should just do that to please everyone. And they got just a manual. That's just boring stuff, you know. Oh my god. So my mom said that I shouldn't take off the plastic, so sorry. If you really want to do a satisfying moment for every iPhone, you can search up other iPhone videos, but yeah. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's champagne gold. It's it's not the same gold. It looks really pretty in real life. I thought it's gonna be just plain champagne gold, but it's holographic. Yeah, it has like a gold, champagne gold with purple hint to it. And the front, look at that. And it's like chrome. It's like chrome at the side. I wish I could remove it, but sorry, I can't. I could do a little bit, I guess. So like, that's it. That's all I could do, sorry. So yeah, that is the phone. It's the same size as the Plus. So like, it's like the same size. It just got this adapter thing that, yeah, whoa. And it has earplugs like that, like just the normal one, but it doesn't come with a dongle. What the hell? Hold on, Apple. This is such an expensive phone, but it doesn't come with a dongle. What the hell? Put a dongle in the box if you're gonna remove the headphone jack. Like, are you dumb? And they got another cable, so that's an extra cable for us. That is amazing. Okay, now I cannot put anything in the box anymore. Okay, so my mom said not to turn it on, so I'm gonna turn it on. And I'm just going to like turn it on. And also I noticed that the home button, like this part, the power button, like it's like a lot wider, like it's a lot longer. So we're gonna turn it on. Hello. Turn it on. Oh my god. So when my mom sets this up later or tomorrow, I'm of course going to use it because that's the type of child I am. Yeah, so look at that, like taking a mirror selfie. Oh my god, I'm gonna take a mirror selfie with this phone. Can you see that? What is that? It's like red. Oh, look at that. So this is the size of the screen. Wait, hold on. That's the size of the screen. It's really big. Like, I'm gonna like turn it off now because my mom said, should I shut it down? Hello? Shut down. Okay, so like you slide it off. Okay, so now it's turned off. So that's pretty much it for this video. I really can't set it up in front I can't really set it up now because it's not my phone and like I don't know what she wants to do. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Thank you for 1,100 subscribers. I cannot believe I hit 1,000 subscribers. Like, yeah, but thank you so much. Bye.